Alright guys, small problem, we're running out of battery here. My son wanted me to show you his carry also. This is the Amora Force, Bushcraft Force. Awesome knife. He loves this thing. I love this thing. He wanted me to show you it real quick. So we're going to try this out real quick. See how its chopping capabilities are before I run out. So if I run out, I'm sorry. We'll get some more out. That's the best piece of wood to try this out on. Let's try something a little bit better than this. Let's go over let's go ahead and try chopping on this. I'm running out of time. Sorry. If I lose ya, we'll finish up the review next time. Knife cuts through us really well. Pretty impressed. It's a little soft. Right through it. Not bad for a little pack axe. 2-in-1 Gerber, $30. It. Not bad, not bad.